A big story here. Long Beach officials are urging residents to get the shot after discovering the new, more transmissible Delta variant is present in the city. And LA County now wants you to put your mask on indoors regardless of the vaccination status. Coco McAboy joining us live with more on the coronavirus. Coco.
Yes, good evening. The Delta variant is more contagious and is spreading across the country and here in LA County. Officials saying that nearly half of all new COVID cases in the county are the Delta variant, and they're urging people to get vaccinated.
At this point, this is a pandemic of unvaccinated individuals.
Data from the LA County Health Department shows from December of 2020 until now, 99.6% of the county's COVID cases were unvaccinated people. And now the more transmissible and deadly Delta variant is in the city of Long Beach.
It certainly is and does seem to be more contagious than the initial variant.
The variant now prompting major news from LA County health officials, urging people to wear masks indoors at places like grocery stores and theaters, regardless of their vaccination status. Dr. Jamehdor, the medical director at St. Mary's Medical Center in Long Beach, says their hospital is now seeing more COVID cases.
Now it's starting to have a resurgence, and I have a feeling that most of these will turn out to be Delta. Once the final PCR testing is done on them, they will likely be the variant, the Delta variant.
Some health experts say the Delta variant symptoms can differ, appearing to be more of a bad cold. But Dr. Jamehdor says they're still seeing respiratory symptoms in COVID patients.
Most people that end up coming to the emergency room, essentially it gets to the respiratory aspect that scares people enough to come to the emergency room. Shorter breath, low oxygenation, cough, and feeling short of breath. Of course, there's different variables. Some people have diarrhea, some people just have headache, some neck pain.
The Delta variant is believed to be 60% more contagious. And some Long Beach residents say they're already preparing for a mask mandate if the cases continue to rise.
I believe if it keeps rising, I believe they're gonna make it a mandate again. So, I mean, I was kind of getting used to not wearing a mask anymore, but it's okay.
Health experts say fully vaccinated people appear to be well protected from the Delta variant, but people with only one dose of Pfizer or Moderna are still not as well protected. And while California is reopened, it's still best to practice precautions.
I'm really enjoying this right now. We all got vaccinated, and I guess we're expecting this to have our normal lives back. But I guess if we really have to, depending on the data and how many hospitalizations are going on based on that, I guess it's important. We have to do by following science.
And the doctor we spoke with says to use your best judgment. If you're in an indoor setting like a grocery store, a theater, or a workplace, and you don't know everyone's vaccination status, it's a good idea to wear a mask. Reporting live this evening, I'm Coco McAboy, Fox 11 News.